Australian officials cautiously signal news of a tragic but solid clue in the disappearance of Malaysian Airlines Flight 370. Encrusted in barnacles, investigators are studying mysterious aircraft debris. The barnacles attached to the wreckage may help identify how long it has been in the water. It washed ashore on Island Beach in the western Indian Ocean on Wednesday.
This is obviously a very significant development. It's the first real evidence that there is a possibility that a part of the aircraft may have been found. It's too early to make that judgment, but clearly we are treating this as a major lead.
MH370 vanished nearly a year and a half ago with 239 people aboard. So far, they've identified the piece as a flaperon from the trailing edge of a Boeing 777. Flight 370 is the only 777 known to be missing.
The most difficult part's not knowing anything.
Victims' relatives who have been deflated by previous mistaken sightings are waiting for further confirmation.
We're all longing and waiting so much for any sort of news that is, valid. But when we get it, I think it's going to be another emotional roller coaster as well.
The wing debris has been transferred to the airport on the island's capital, where it will continue on to France. Padmanandarama, The Associated Press.